This tutorial review will show you how to play music through microphone with voice mode. So first of all, download and install the voice mode on your computer and launch it. Then click on soundboard and make sure to select this My Soundboard option here. And to play music through microphone, first of all, we need to import the music here. So click on Browse Files and note one thing, you can upload .mp3 file and .wa file. So click on Browse Files and select the music. And it may take some time to import the music here. Here we can see the music has been successfully imported in my soundboard. And if you want to play music through microphone in Discord, then go to your Discord and click on User Settings. Here, scroll down to the left hand side and select Voice and Video. Click on the input device and select Voice Mode Virtual Audio Device. Now, start a call or join a voice channel. Now, open your voice mode and it's time to play music through microphone. To do that, make sure to select the soundboard option and select My Soundboard, and now select the music you want to play through microphone. And to stop playing, tap on Stop Sounds. And this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial Review. See you in the next video.